Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting collaboration to share with you all. Are you ready? So I have Marlon here from I'm the Super.
Hello everyone.
If you're not familiar with Marlon, I came across his channel and I fell in love. He has a bunch of home improvement videos in his channel. I'm gonna leave his link in the description box, so check that out. And today we're gonna be showing you how to create, I don't know if you see a sneak peek on the back, but we're gonna show you how to create a focal point wall for your living room or anywhere in your home. Also, he's gonna be showing you guys how to do this mantle that you guys are seeing somewhere back here, so you don't want to miss any of these videos. So don't forget, once you're done watching this video, check Marlon's channel on Instagram. Then you know that if this project was something that I really wanted to do for the longest. I needed someone to inspire me, to give me that push. And I was searching one night in YouTube and I came across Marlon's channel and I was like, oh my god, he does amazing home improvement videos and DIYs. Let me try to recreate this at home. And then I was leaving him comments and I read in a comment that he's also from New York. So I reached out to Marlon for a collaboration and he said yes. And I was like, oh my god, that's awesome. So think about it, a guy that it's good, handy, and could make your vision come true. That's what we have right here. We have a girl that wants to create. We are the perfect team. So we have this amazing collaboration here to share with you today, and I am so excited to have collaborated with him because he's a great person. I invite you all to check his channel. He is gonna have a bunch of home improvement that you guys are gonna love, all the way from even home decor DIYs, pieces that you could make at home to make your home more beautiful, like this mantle right here that he did with a little bit of money, and it's just stunning, as you can see. And you're gonna be seeing this whole process step by step. Remember, you're gonna see it in this channel and you're gonna see it in his channel in Spanish, and also you're gonna see the mantle just on his channel. You don't wanna see the mantle here today, but you will see it on his channel. So don't forget to subscribe to his channel to show. So when me and Marlon started to talk about this collaboration, guys, the first thing he sent me was this sketch, and I was like, oh my god, I fell in love immediately. I was like, oh my god, you're so amazing. And right there I knew that he was the perfect guy to collaborate with. So guys, are you ready to see the behind the scene on how we created this focal point wall or fireplace TV combo wall, whatever you guys want to call it? But here I'm going to be showing you, we did this project in 2 days. Well, more like a day and a half, because we finished like in 2 hours the next day. But I'm going to be showing you here pretty much the process. So guys, here's a before picture of the living room after I remove my TV and my fireplace, whatever I had there before. And I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this space, and if you are not familiar, check one of my home tours and you will see this space before. So as you can see Marlon measuring the space here, that is the first step you want to do, because you want to find the center of your wall, and that's where you're going to start marking to do the framing of the wall. So that's the first step, you guys. Don't forget to measure. When you're done with your measurements, you're ready to start building your frame. And with the frame, you're going to be needing the 2x3 wood stocks that we're using here, as you can see. Also, you're going to need this metal tracks that I'm showing you here for the bottom and the top of the wall. So when you're done with this step, your frame should look something like this. So now you're going to start adding the 2x3 to make the outer frame, and that's what they're doing over here. As you can see in the video, they're making the outer frame, so they're just making sure everything fits nice, and it should look like something like this when they add those 2x3. We're getting closer, you guys. Right now what you see Marlon and Raphael doing is framing the space where the electric fireplace is gonna go, so it starts to take shape once that step is done. As you can see over here, it looks like, you know, we're building something. So yeah. So when you're done with the frame of the fireplace, the next step is obviously to measure and make sure your fireplace fits with no issues, because then when you cover this wall, you want to make sure it fits, you know what I mean? You don't want to break anything. So now what you see Marlon and Raphael do is just adding the rest of the 2x3 wood so they could finish up the frame. So also now Marlon is going to make a hole so the cables could come through, because I decided to make the cables come through that side, to the right side. It would be a lot easier for me. So guys, here the hardest part of this project honestly was adding electricity to this wall. Marlon added about 3 outlets, I think, and we got them all from this corner because that's the only outlet I had in that side. So we have to open the walls, but maybe you don't have to do that if you do already have a plug in your wall, an outlet. But yes, I have to do it because I had no outlet. Tell us what he used to create the frame. So let's switch it up to Marlon.
So we're using a 2x4, 2x3 wood stud, and for the top and the bottom we use a metal track, the same size. Okay. For the electricity we're using a cable BX 12-2, regular electric box 4x4.
So over here we're almost done with day 1 of this project, and what we're doing here is adding the drywall and also putting the compound, or I don't know how you pronounce that. So the last thing we did on day 1 was adding crown molding. You guys, this step is optional, but I think it made the wall look a lot nicer. So here's how the wall looked, and we have to let the compound dry for 24 hours. So guys, day 2 was a breeze. I think Marlon got to my house around 10 a.m. and by 1 o'clock or so we were done. So there's not much to do on day 2 but do the finishing touches. And here you see Raphael doing a light buffing of the walls, like a light sanding and also adding primer to the wall and then adding the paint. So when we're done with the paint, Marlon started adding all the wires and the electrical outlets and stuff like that. We also put in the fireplace. Then as you can see here, we also added the TV wall mount on the wall, and we also added the TV to the wall, make sure everything worked, and we also added my surround system to the wall, and then the final thing was to add the mantle. So here I quickly wanted to show you the stone that I was planning to use in this space. I just want to give you an idea that you could use tile, brick, anything you like to finish up the fireplace. That's it for this video. Here's a final reveal. My living room looks so much elegant now. I love how it turned out. I honestly loved this project. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this project. Comment down below. Also, let me know if you guys want to see how obviously I decorate this space, because I need to decorate it now. That's the next step. So if you want to see a video on how I do that, comment down below. Thanks for watching.